Hi friends, welcome to today's Problem Sums video tutorial where we will discuss a logical reasoning and units type question. Let's dive into it. Zulaiha was thinking of a number. She wanted to divide it by 3. However, she made a mistake and divided the number by 5 instead. So of course there will be some errors in her calculation. In the end, her answer was 20 less than the correct answer. Find the number that she is thinking of. Now, let's highlight the keywords. So there is this fixed number, right, that Zulaiha is thinking of in her mind. Alright? So that's one number there. And at first, she wanted to divide this number by 3. But she made a mistake, probably in a calculator or probably in the working that she was doing. She made a mistake. So she went to take that number and she divided it by 5 instead. So in the end, her answer was 20 less than the correct answer. Find the number that she is thinking of. So to do this, right, we have to develop for ourselves a number that is both divisible by 3 and also 5. In other words, we need to develop for ourselves a common unit between 3 and 5. Alright, so I hope this triggers you to find out a common multiple between 3 and 5. And what is that? That is 15. Okay, so the common, alright, you can put the lowest common one, lowest common multiple of 3 and 5. This one here is actually 15. Now, take note, this 15 is 15 units because we don't know exactly what 1 unit is worth. Alright, and this 15 units, right, allows us to divide by 3 and also by 5. Okay, so we first find a common multiple of 3 and 5, which is 15 units. Now, this was the wrong step that she did. Okay, she took this 15 units and she divided it by 5. Okay, this will give us an answer of 3 units. Alright, when in actual fact, the correct step should be what? Let's write it down. The correct step should actually be 15 units divide by 3. Correct? She's supposed to divide this number by 3, but she went to divide by 5. So when you actually divide by 3, right, you are supposed to get an answer of 5 units. Now have a look. There is actually this difference that is amounting to 2 units. Alright, and this 2 units is really this 20 here. Alright, in the end, her answer, okay, her wrong answer here, there's 3 units, is 20 less than the correct one. So what does that say? When you take 5 minus 3, you will get 2 units. And my friends, these 2 units is really the difference between the correct and the wrong answer, which is 20. So I can proceed to find 1 unit. 20 divided by 2, we get 10. And the question is, what is the number that this person is thinking of? That would be 15 units, right? So 15 units is equals to 15 times 10, which is 150, and that is literally our final answer for this question. Let's do a quick check. Okay, let's check. Now let's say the number is 150. I divide it by 3. Okay, this is a correct step, okay, which is supposed to happen. 150 divided by 3, you're gonna get an answer of 50. Okay, and because Zulaiha did it wrongly, she took 150, she divided by 5 instead. She got 30. Now have a look at the difference between 50 and 30. Is it 20 as they have mentioned? 50 minus 30 is over here, the difference that they have indeed mentioned. So our answer of 150 is correct. So go ahead, pause this video, try this question out again, and I hope you can select similar questions so that we can all improve in our problem sums. Thank you so much.